Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Santos and this is my final project interest presentation. So to start off my presentation, I wanted to go over some of my interests and opinions between the two tools that are provided, which is the 3D modeling and the Arduino kit. I have previous experience with both and I am open to both Arduino and 3D printing, but I'm leaning more towards Arduino because I feel like with the kit that was provided to us, I feel like there's a lot more variety and a combination, just a lot of possibilities that we could use with this Arduino kit because it comes with stuff like the LCD screen, the stepper and servo motor, buttons and joysticks and stuff like that could all be rearranged with the controller and breadboard and making something out of that. But I do think a combination of both also provides more possibilities of what can be the output towards the final project. And like I said before, I do have some experience with both in a previous engineering class that I took in high school. Moving on to my intentions using both the 3D modeling and Arduino set, the main thing I want to do is familiarize myself with using Onshape and hooking up wires and stuff to the Arduino board, as well as the coding. I did get a sense of that from high school, but I feel like I've lost most of my memory from what I did back then. I also want to discover new ways of using both of these tools. I just want to discover their capabilities basically and see what I can make or what me and my future partner can make using these provided tools. And I also just want to keep practicing with Onshape and Arduino circuits / coding. I know it's not just with Arduino. It's not just setting it up with the breadboard and controller board, hooking up wires and whatnot to that. There's also the coding process towards that to actually get certain things in what you built to work. I also obviously we're going to go through trial and error, and I just want to learn from those mistakes so that they don't happen in the future. And I just want to experiment with everything, see what I can do, see what me and my partner can do. And when thinking about the final project, I know there isn't a lot to it so far in terms of the rubric and what is the main output to this, but I do want to somehow use these tools to create something that is beneficial to us and something that is for our convenience. I think before I did use the Arduino board to make a vending machine, and I thought that was pretty cool, but I feel like there's more to expand to that. And yeah. As for my own ideas of good collaboration, right off the bat, when I thought about this, I thought about communication. I think communication is key, especially when this upcoming project is a two-person project. Communication, it's very important to me, and I just want to be able to communicate with my partner, and just so we're both on the same page at all times, and we both know what's going on and what we're gonna do. And my second thing is that I want to see each other as equal. I don't want to have one person doing more work than the other. I just don't think it's fair. And yeah, simple as that. And for my third point, I said open to each other's ideas. I don't want, or not that I don't want, but I don't prefer to brainstorm this project and have it being one-sided meaning like just going off of one person's ideas. I just want to be able to brainstorm together, and if myself and my partner do have different ideas, I want to be able to learn how to compromise and find the in-between point. And lastly, I want to know, well, I guess this will develop when me and my partner are doing the actual project, but I just want to know our strong suits and weaknesses between each other. For example, like if we're working with both 3D modeling and Arduino, one of us may be stronger on the Arduino side than the 3D modeling, and the other person would be stronger on the 3D modeling side than the Arduino. So I just want to be able to use that to our advantage, and I think that will be great for efficiency when doing our project. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.